Here is a simple question. Name 0 group elements and give their electronic configurations. Name, symbol, atomic number and electronic configuration. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Symbols are He, Ne, Ar, Kr, Xe, Rn. Atomic numbers 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86. You need to remember all this. If you remember all this, you can easily identify the place of the remaining elements. Electronic configuration 1s2. This is doublet configuration. Remaining all elements are having octet configuration. Neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Argon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Krypton 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6. Here 3d10 is extra. Xenon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 5s2, 5p6. And when it comes to radon, here 4f14 will be extra. You can see 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p6. These are the electronic configurations of these group elements. We have few other questions. Give the uses of helium and neon. Just now along with the argon and krypton I mentioned you can check here also. Helium is a non-combustible and light gas, so used in lifting meteorological balloons. Meteorological means which are used for observing atmosphere, weather. A mixture of 80% helium and 20% oxygen is used in modern diving apparatus instead of ordinary air, because unlike nitrogen, helium is insoluble in blood under pressure. This is called Bend's disease. About this much information given in NCERT in solutions topic. A mixture of helium and oxygen is used in breathing for asthma patients. Neon uses, it is used in glow lamps for advertising purposes. The glow of neon lamps is visible even through fog and mist, hence are used as signal lights and as beacon lights for safe air navigation. So you can say in aeroplane lights it is used, simple language. It is used in safety devices as it has a capacity of carrying high voltage. Explain physical method for the separation of noble gases. Physical, just now we were discussing about adsorption, Dewars method. Here this is another method which is called physical method. Here we are based on the boiling points, we are going to separate them by cooling. Separation of noble gases from liquid air directly. So this is one interesting one. You see, various components present in the liquid air differ in their boiling points. So they can be separated by fractional evaporation method. When liquid air is pumped into Claude's apparatus, different fractions are obtained at different temperatures. The obtained fractions are helium and neon with liquid nitrogen, argon, krypton, xenon with liquid oxygen, liquid nitrogen, liquid oxygen. Okay, liquid oxygen containing higher molecular mass gases, liquid nitrogen contains lower molecular mass gases, helium and neon. Isolation of helium and neon, the fraction of liquid nitrogen with helium and neon is passed over calcium carbide at 1075 to 1275 when nitrogen gas is removed as calcium cyanamide. A mixture of helium and neon is isolated or obtained. Helium and neon, you got the mixture. When the helium and neon mixture is chilled in liquid hydrogen temperature will be 20 Kelvin. When you are cooling this mixture, neon gets liquefied, helium still remains in the gas. Neon gets liquefied and the helium remains as gas. These two can be easily separated by pumping out the helium gas. Isolation of argon, krypton, xenon, the fraction of liquid oxygen with argon, krypton, xenon when cooled in liquid nitrogen, argon remains as gas, remaining two are liquefied. Argon still contains a little oxygen and is freed from oxygen by passing over heated copper, because copper can absorb oxygen comfortably. The liquid portion containing oxygen, krypton, xenon are subjected to fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is applicable when the boiling point difference is more than 10 degrees. At approximately 10 degrees, you can comfortably use this one. And by using this, you can comfortably separate krypton, xenon and oxygen.